Hi everyone, and welcome to Creative Chelsea. Today I would like to share with you the information for my upcoming online card class for November 2024. In this class, we will be creating 5 fun handmade cards. To sign up for this class, please use the Google form, and I will link it up here in one of these top corners. Or you can visit my blog, creativechelsea.com, and the link is found in the description below. During this class, we will be creating 5 handmade cards with the Sophisticated Sled bundle or the Reindeer Fun bundle. These cards are so fun and festive, with images that celebrate the upcoming holiday and winter season. The cards have been designed to work with any stamp set, so you may already have something, so look for cute critters or holiday images. I love seeing your creativity in using different stamps and dies. If you would like me to help you pick something out, please reach out to me through the comments below or in my email, which you can find at the bottom of every video in the description. Now let's take a quick look at the cards. Here are the cards we will be creating for this class. In this pile, I have the Sophisticated Sled cards. And then in this pile, I have the Reindeer Fun cards. I love how each of these cards use the stamps or dies in new ways to give you more versatility to your bundle. And the layouts and color schemes are really great and can work well with many different images. Think cute critters, holiday, or winter themes. So if you're not going to use the stamp sets that I'm using, you can definitely look through your sets that you already have and find one that will work well with these beautiful cards. During the class, I'm also going to share with you some great coloring tips and techniques that you can use with Stampin' Blend markers and colored pencils. This type of coloring gives more depth to your images. If you would like to make multiple sets of cards, I will be offering a cardstock refill kit for $15 that can be purchased along with a full kit. Get the details on my blog. I am so excited to make these cards with you. I can hardly wait. I hope you decide to join me. It will be an amazing class full of fun tips and tricks. This class will run from Monday, November 11th through Saturday, November 16th. We will meet each day during the week to create one of the 5 cards. On the last day of class, I will have a surprise bonus project that I will be sharing. This class is open to everyone, customers and demonstrators. Participants can join me live at 10 a.m. Mountain Time for the sessions during the week, or can watch the replay videos at your leisure. The class fee is $35. You can register through my blog, creativechelsea.com, and the direct link is below in the description. Registration for this class closes in just a couple weeks on Sunday, October 27th. So make sure to reserve your spot by registering today. When you sign up, you will receive a class kit. This kit is only available to participants in the United States. If you live outside of the US, you can choose the tutorial only option. This kit will include cardstock, card bases, and envelopes for 5 cards. No pre-cut shapes will be included. 6 6x6 sheets of the Nest of Winter Designer Series paper, gorgeous patterns, a full pack of earth tones, shimmer gems, and a full pack of the Natural Tones linen thread. If you would like to make multiple sets of cards, I will be offering a cardstock refill kit for $15 that can be purchased along with a full kit. It includes all the cardstock Designer Series paper and envelopes to make another set of cards. It does not include the twine or the gems. You will have enough of these items left over to make more cards. You can purchase as many of either kits as you would like. Get the details on my blog. Please note that I reserve the right to switch products based on availability. Substituted products will be of similar value and keep the integrity of the design. To participate in this class and complete these cards, you will need to have these supplies. They will not be provided to you in your class kit. These items are listed in the class details on my blog. If you need to purchase any of these items, please purchase them through my online store and use the host code provided on my blog. You will want a stamp set and dies, so maybe look and see if you can find one that bundles. So this one is the Sophisticated Sled. It's one of the stamp sets I will be using, and it does come with these gorgeous dies. And then the other option is the Reindeer Fun, and I will also be showing how to make the cards with this stamp set. And it also comes with some fun dies. And if you don't want to use either of these sets, you can find your own stamp set and dies. Look for critters, holiday themes, winter images like snowmen, that kind of thing. That would be really fun for this class. You will also need some ink pads. I'm going to be using Garden Green, Early Espresso, Daffodil Delight. I also have Pool Party and the Gray Granite, along with the Memento Black ink. And then we're going to be doing some heat embossing with the white embossing powder. And so you'll want your Versamark, an embossing buddy, which will help keep the powder from sticking to your cardstock. Of course, the powder, and then a heat tool. The technique we're going to be doing, the coloring technique, it uses both the Stampin' Blend markers and a variety of colored pencils. I'm going to be using the watercolor pencils from Stampin' Up. They have two assortments. There's an assortment 1 and an assortment 2. I have both, and I've mixed them together, so I can't tell you which one is which. But if you just have a variety, you should be just fine. We're using a lot more of like the browns, the blacks, the grays, maybe some darker colors just to add that depth and detail to the images. And then we're also using a lot of Stampin' Blend markers. Now, if you don't have these exact colors, you're probably fine. You could use like different colors that are similar, or you could place an order for some. Let me just read through the colors that I have. I've got Cherry Cobbler, Copper Clay, Crumb Cake, Daffodil Delight, Granny Apple Green, Gray Granite, Shaded Spruce, and Old Olive. And you can again find a list of all of these blends on my blog, so you can make sure to see which ones you have. And then the last thing is just a white gel pen. This one is my favorite brand. I also have a link to that on my blog on Amazon. So that's everything you need. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to me. Here are the tools and adhesives you will need to make these cards. You will want your paper trimmer, and then just some of my favorite tools are the Take a Pick tool, bone folder, a good pair of scissors for ribbon, and then paper snips. Gotta love those. And then I also have my Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. You'll want these to work with your die and embossing folder. Something to clean your stamps, and I love the Simply Chamois product. And then of course, coordinating clear blocks, anything that will work with your stamp set that you're using. And then of course, your favorite adhesives. If you enjoy using the Stampin' Seal, make sure you have some of that on hand. I love to have mini glue dots on hand, a variety of sizes of the dimensionals, mini or regular. This is my favorite adhesive, which is the liquid glue from Tombow. And then if you also enjoy having some tear and tape on hand. And then we do have some small details that it just is really nice to put some adhesive sheets on the back. So maybe have some of those sheets on hand as well. All of my online classes are live. You can watch them through a private Facebook group or with a private YouTube link. We will have 6 live sessions scheduled at 10 a.m. Mountain Time each day during the week. In each session, I will walk you through how to make the project for that day and show you the techniques needed. If you're able to join me live, you can also ask questions and get personal help. These video sessions will be recorded and will be available after so that you can watch the replay at any time. I will also be providing written PDF with step-by-step instructions for each project to everyone. If you cannot join me live, you can choose to have the private video links and the written PDF instructions sent to your email so that you can complete the projects at a different time. I am so excited for this class and hope that you decide to join me. Sign up today through my blog, creativechelsea.com, and the links are in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. Have a creative day. Bye.